Hey everybody, today, right now, I'm going to be making Papa's Bywater barbecue sauce. And this is from the all-new Ball Book of Canning. This is supposed to make 6 1-pint jars. This is the list of ingredients over on the left. You can see there's a lot of ingredients, but it's just a little bit of this and that. So what we've already got in the pan that I'm about to mix together are 2.5 cups of firmly packed light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 3 tablespoons of dry mustard, a tablespoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground red pepper, and a half a teaspoon of chili powder. Bring you back when I get the rest of the ingredients. Okay, now I have put together into the dry ingredients 8 cups of ketchup, 2 cups of water, 1 1/4 cups of apple cider vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of apple cider, 1/3 cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of mustard. It's Dijon mustard. You can use that or Creole mustard. 2.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of bottled lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. And it calls for the Ball Fiery Fermented, but I used what we had. So, now I've got to get it over on the stove and start cooking it. Okay, it will simmer for 20 minutes until it's slightly thickened, and then it will go into pint jars. Okay, this is the barbecue sauce. We've already tasted it, and it tastes real good. So I'm going to fill this jar to 1/2 inch headspace. Check it. Okay, that's 1/2 inch headspace. Wipe it off with a wet paper towel. Put on a clean lid. You don't have to preheat your lids. All you have to do is wash them, and I wash up a bunch of them and keep them in a Ziploc bag. Get this over here, tighten it up, there, and then it'll go back into the canner. I'm going to get another jar out, and when I get done, I will bring you back. Okay, I've got 7 pint jars and 1/2 pint jar in the canner. I'm going to put on the lid and can these for 15 minutes. Okay, I was just waiting for this to get into the dark green area, which you can see it is. Got a good stream of steam coming out the side. Excuse a little mess in the corner. Now set the timer for 15 minutes. See, they're done. They processed, there went a pop, yay. Processed for 15 minutes. I'm about to take them out of the canner. And there they all are, fresh out of the canner. Just waiting to cool down now. If you tried this, let me know how you liked it. We liked our taste test of it, so. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.